Innovation springs from solid foundations. Excellence resides in every refined detail. Grinding, where skill evolves into pure artistry. Xing Abrasives, with over a half-century of expertise and spirit of constant innovation, has become the leader in the industry. Optimizing manufacturing through refined processes, from raw material intake to final product completion, each stage undergoes thorough inspection. Every operation ensures flawless results. Our mastery drives outstanding performance and supreme quality. Xing's grinding solutions demonstrate exceptional adaptability, conquering a broad range of materials and textures, meeting diverse industrial needs with finesse. Abrasive technology plays a significant role across industries, ensuring the quality and performance of machinery and equipment. It also enhances work efficiency and stability. Adhering to international quality standards with the ISO 9001 management system, we deliver top-tier products. As Taiwan's premier innovator in abrasive materials, Xing has cultivated 5 decades of excellence, pioneering groundbreaking solutions that have transformed the industry. Through relentless dedication to quality and innovation, we have established ourselves as a trusted global partner, consistently delivering products that not only meet but redefine industry standards. Our commitment is to create the greatest value for our customers. Beyond continuous technological advancement, Xing remains firmly dedicated to sustainable and eco-friendly manufacturing practices. We import OSA-certified materials from Germany, guaranteeing they are safe and soil-friendly. By implementing advanced sustainable manufacturing processes, Xing creates superior abrasive solutions with rigorous safety standards, safeguarding health, protecting our environment, and maintaining excellence in every effort. Our innovative solutions enable industries to sustain their competitive edge, promoting technological growth and driving continuous progress across sectors. Our global distribution network spans continents, delivering excellence to markets worldwide. Comprehensive solutions, uncompromising excellence, limitless possibilities. Xing Abrasives.